Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Kevin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you India's favorite recipe. Yes, the Peanut Tofu Biryani. It is absolutely delicious and is packed with proteins and goodness of rich veggies. We will begin the recipe by frying some chopped onions and one green chilli until they are golden brown. Now to this we will add some tofu and we will cook it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now to this we will add some chopped beans and some chopped potatoes and we will fry them for another 2 minutes. Now we will add some chopped carrots and beetroot and we will fry them for another 1 minute. All these veggies gives our biryani the unique color and taste. Now talking about the taste, it's time to add some flavor to our biryani. Beginning with 1 tablespoon salt, then 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1.5 tablespoon of biryani masala. You can skip this step, but if you have biryani masala, do add it because it really adds to the flavor of the biryani. Now we'll stir everything together and we'll cook for 1 minute on high flame. While it cooks, you should be able to smell the aroma of the biryani masala. Now we will add water and basmati rice to our biryani masala. The quantity of the water should be 1.5 cup to every 1 cup of rice. Now we will mix everything together and add some coriander leaves and lots of peanuts. Now we will mix everything together and cook it for 15 minutes on medium flame with a closed lid. You can also use a pressure cooker to make this biryani. Just mix everything together and cook until 1 whistle. After biryani is finished, leave the lid closed for 15 to 20 minutes for the rice to absorb all the water. And voila, our peanut tofu biryani is ready. You can serve it with curries or salads or any appetizers of your choice. It goes well with everything. Hope you like the recipe. Cheers! For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself and see you until next time. Thank you for watching.